Hello students, this is Anjana. Welcomes you all in the Ved Model family. We are going to start our second term with your grammar topic, that is kinds of sentences. Basically 5 kinds of sentences in English. First is assertive or declarative, second interrogative, third imperative, fourth exclamatory, and fifth optative. Yes, students, before coming to kinds of sentences, firstly let's study that what is sentence. Sentence is a group of words which gives a complete thought, which gives a meaningful sense, which is a combination of subject and a verb. In a sentence gives a statement, we can ask a question, gives a command and exclamation also. First, declarative sentence. Sentence that gives information, that tells us information to make a statement. For example, a dog is man's best friend. The sandwich is very tasty. She is a beautiful girl. Second one is interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, used to ask a question, to seek information or an answer. For example, who are you? Where is my book? How are you? Will you be my friend? Now in these examples, you can see that when you are going to give the answer of who are you, you will tell your name. Where is my book? Book is on the table. Book is in my bag. How are you? You can say that I'm fine, I'm good, I'm fantastic. Will you be my friend? Yes. Then in this way, you can get 2 types of interrogative sentences. First, in which you will give your answer in yes or no, that start from a helping verb or with modal auxiliaries. And second one, a WH question, in which you will give your answer in a statement. Now third one is imperative sentences. In imperative sentences, to tell someone to do or not to do something, means to give command or ask for request. Put the key in the drawer. Wait for me. Please leave your footwear outside. In these sentences, subject is hidden. Subject is understood, means you put the key in the drawer. You wait for me. Now next one, exclamatory sentences. Expresses strong emotions or feeling. For example, that is a huge fish. What a beautiful day. He is such a nice boy. In this way, exclamatory sentences expresses strong emotions or feelings. Now fifth one is optative sentence. Optative sentences are used to express a wish or a prayer. For example, may we return successful from our mission. May we get scholarship in the exam. May we live long. These are used to express a wish or a prayer. Now students, I am adding a video for making your concept more clear.
Sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences: declarative, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory. A declarative sentence makes a statement or gives information. It ends with a full stop. For example, there is a chemical factory nearby. An imperative sentence gives a command, makes a request or a wish. It mostly ends with a full stop and sometimes an exclamation mark. For example, ask the children to get ready for a test. The subject in an imperative sentence is always in the second person. It is implied and often not spoken. For example, do not go there. That is, you do not go there. An interrogative sentence asks a question. It ends with a question mark. For example, have you read the newspaper? An exclamatory sentence expresses happiness, anger, fear, disgust, and shock. It ends with an exclamation mark. For example, what an impossible task that is.
Dear students, watch this video carefully for making your concept clear. Thank you and have a nice day.